Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So just to hop right into it with the products that we need, you're going to need PRO-AIDE. It's a medical grade adhesive. You're also going to need some liquid latex. Of course, for every look, you'll probably need this. You're going to need fake blood of your choice. My favorite brand is Mehron, and I think I said that in the last video. You're going to use some foundation of your choice. It can be a powder or a liquid. You can use, well, I'm going to be using my BRUISE palette, but you can use that or any other cream colors or paint that you have on hand. And this is liquid latex. So what you do is you take your liquid latex and you pour it on a plate and you let it dry overnight. And you will be using that to put over your eye. Also, cotton balls. So in this clip, we're going to go ahead and take some of that PRO-AIDE and we're going to put it around the outside of that liquid latex circle that's going to go over your eye. And that PRO-AIDE is really runny, so just make sure you have a paper towel or like a baby wipe or something to wipe that away when it starts to run down your face, because it will. So guys, once your circle has dried and it's attached with the PRO-AIDE, you're going to unroll your cotton balls and you're going to start to put that on the outside of that circle using some liquid latex and some Q-tips, or you can use your finger, whatever is more convenient for you. So after you've gotten all your cotton balls around the eye, you're going to go ahead and put more liquid latex on the outside of those cotton balls so that it'll be easier for your foundation and your blood and everything to go on top. So here we're just going to start adding our powder foundation to the cotton balls like you see me doing here. And to be honest with you, I wouldn't even waste my time with the powder foundation. If you have some liquid foundation that you don't mind wasting or using for this look, then go ahead and use that, because you'll see in a later clip that I did go back with some liquid foundation and apply it to the outside. Alright y'all, so now we're gonna start getting to the fun part. So I'm gonna take that darkest shade in that BRUISE palette and just put that over that liquid latex circle right here. And yeah, you don't need this to do this. You can go get you some cheap cream makeup from Walmart. They got it for $1, or they got the same stuff at Party City and the Spirit Halloween store. So just use what you have. You do not have to have these same exact products to get the same exact look, I promise you. And guys, if you're liking this video so far, stop and give me a big thumbs up and subscribe, because I do have more videos coming. So I'm taking this darker maroon looking color and putting it right there on the inner part of that circle, as you see me doing right here. And guys, remember, this is your creation. You can use whatever colors you want, whatever makeup or paint you have. You can go wild with this. Just use your imagination. So now we're about to go ahead and start adding our blood, and the first one that I'm going to use is that dark Venus blood. It's the stage blood. I believe this might be the darkest blood that they offer, but it is my favorite. So now I'm going in with my second favorite, and that's the coagulated blood gel, and I'm gonna just put that around the outside of the blood that I just applied. So now this is what I'm talking about when I said I went back with the liquid foundation. Here I'm just applying it around the outside because the cotton balls are still kind of peeking through a little bit, and I really could have went in with some more, but this will do. So from the beginning I would say to use liquid foundation like I mentioned earlier. So the last blood that I'm using is that squirt blood, and this is the bright arterial blood that you see here. And this one is nice too, but it's my least favorite only because it's very loose and liquidy, and it will get everywhere if you're not careful. So just keep that in mind if you choose to use exactly what I am using. Y'all, I cannot tell you what on earth I was laughing at, but here is the finished look. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will catch y'all on the next Halloween look coming very soon. Bye.